Welcome to LeGrow channel. Here is Albin.
And I'm Ripley. In our last Kickstarter project, we have a teaser about the waterfall module. Do you remember?
Sure, people love it.
Yes, we have received lots of PM asking about the waterfall. But back then, when we designed the product, we have come across lots of trouble. For example, we couldn't find a way to figure out the two water tanks. We don't want the product to be too complicated because LeGrow is all about simple and elegance.
Until I saw this. Where is the water tank?
There is no water tank.
We will tell you how it works later.
Okay, and last week Halbin has designed the 3D models and we sent it out to print, and today we have received all the parts. So we are going to unbox the waterfall today with you guys to see how it goes. Let's begin, okay?
LeGrow's waterfall is inspired by the oculus of Jewel Changi Airport. It is one of the biggest indoor waterfalls. It increases humidity, lowers the temperature, and creates a better microclimate for the plants. That's what we want to invite to our indoor LeGrow garden. The traditional waterfall has two tanks. The first one at the upstream to restore water, and the second one at the downstream to supply water with the help of a pump, so that you will have continuous water flow. But that will take up a lot of space. LeGrow's waterfall has only one water tank. The secret is in these 24 water pipes. Water will be injected into these pipes and reaches all the way to the top of the waterfall through these transparent pipes, and then falls along the outside of the pipes. That's why there is no water tank at the top.
So we are going to start it.
Whoa!
How do you like the waterfall?
Amazing!
I think it's a big success. Look at the water streams here. So beautiful. We will put the whole waterfall set on our website so you can have it in your house.
Discount code here.
The first 10 who order, we have a big discount, so don't hesitate. In the next video, we are going to put this waterfall in our new LeGrow scene, so stay tuned.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.